Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reacting to I Can't Think of the Names Chainsaw episodes. Alright, see you guys soon. Oh, alright, so we're already getting right into it. Okay. Alright, so right off the bat, that was pretty scary.
We will show subtitles of the screen of some other audios we found, including this one.
That's crazy. I could tell you nobody else. This is crazy. Wow. Alright, again, I like the warnings. Oh, okay. Alright.
Got a clean cut right there.
Oh my gosh. This is actually pretty scary, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. I gotta hide the body.
There's a photo. Didn't hide it well, but okay. Yep, we got the credits. Alright. Trailer. Here's the actual thing. These are some pretty good transitions. Okay. Oh, here's the spot from the trailer. Alright, so right now is some pretty good crying acting.
Please tell me. Just kill me already.
Alright, okay. Oh, that is pretty gory. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, here's the behind the scenes.
Getting tortured, I guess. So, I know. My other hand, which is holding the camera, and she's This is supposed to be the killer chain. And inside here, because this is a later McDonald's toy.
It's a McDonald's
I think it just
toy.
came out, and it has this like sharp end. So that's what makes it all come together. But it's not even that sharp, and it doesn't pierce the skin. So
Well, that's good at least. That's some pretty good acting.
Cut.
If it was me though, I'd make my eyes like fade out a bit more.
Wow. I think I've seen 1, take 2. God damn it. Scene 1, take 3.
Alright, take 3. 3 times the count.
That was way too. Scene 1, take 4.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll link his channel down below if that's too fast for you. Make sure to go subscribe to him. He gave me permission. Go subscribe to him. Anyway, peace out.